When you click on your English class, you will now land on Module 2. If you need to go back and do the AV activity, if you have not already done that, make sure that you do that. Also, always check announcements and see what is there. Here is also a link to Module 1 with a demonstration video walking you through the first parts of the class. But now we are in Module 2. I have deadlines posted for you at the top. So the first assignment you are going to do is the quote burger paragraph. You have demonstration videos to show you how to do that. Before you get started with the quote burger paragraphs, I recommend that you look at the compare contrast essay video here. Just if you see a blue link, it's a good thing to just open and see what's going on. So this is an old course that's in the video, but the demonstrations for the assignments are basically the same. So make sure that you are watching those demonstration videos. Also, the mode sheets are going to be important for you. Keep the mode sheets, as I said, for studying for the final exam, as well as for knowing what to do for each essay. The quote burger colors, this video at the bottom explains what the quote burger method is. It's kind of a silly method for remembering all of the content you need to include in each body paragraph when you are quoting sources. And then this demonstration video shows you how to do this assignment. I think I will move a copy of this demonstration video into the assignment link here for you as well. To access what you need to do the assignment, you're going to need to open this little document, and then you will see what you need to change the colors of. Okay, so you can choose one of those paragraphs or do both of them for extra practice. That would be excellent. Show off your skills. You should have something that fits with each of these components for each of the paragraphs. These are like double quote burgers here. So your first sentence is going to be brown, maybe your first two sentences. So watch that demonstration video again. Make sure that you are doing all the components correctly. Now, the next assignment that you're going to have coming up this week is an email. You're going to email me something that looks like this, which is basically a proposal for what two careers you're going to be comparing in the career comparison essay. So if you watch this video, you can literally follow me step by step through the process. Okay, so make sure that you include all of these components. Watch the video through once and then get ready to do the assignment, and you're going to literally send me an email. So this is one colored link that doesn't open. It's just a colored title to remind you that, hey, here's an assignment that you need to do. All right, you also are going to have this quiz. It is just a video quiz. To access it, just click on the video itself, and then it goes blank, which looks like, oh my goodness, this can't be right. Just give it a few minutes, and then this comes up, and you have to click it again, possibly. Yes, and then download the pretest and open those questions and read through the questions. That way you know what to be thinking about and listening for as you take the video quiz. Okay, so you won't have any surprises come up, and you'll even have a selection of answers that will be options for you as you take the video quiz. So after you've read through those, go back to your Blackboard content and then click continue, and the video will play, and we'll pause and ask you questions as you go. All right, if you have any trouble with the video quiz, email helpdesk@wallacestate.edu and put my email in the CC line. That's carbon copy is what it stands for. And my email is karen.morris@wallacestate.edu. You can also find my contact information here and instructor information near the top. So if you need that, again, here it is. Back to Module 2, those are the 3 assignments that you have coming up that are due this week. Again, I encourage you to watch the videos, do the assignments along with the videos. It really makes a difference. I can tell when students watch the videos and when they don't watch the videos. You also have a link here to the Occupational Outlook Handbook. That is the only source that you really need for this essay. So if you just click on that blue link, it will take you right there. And you can start by looking through sort of the general sections of career types, or you can search in the handbook for something more specific. All right, it's a great little website for finding out, what the career outlook is, what the pay is, that sort of thing. It's really, really a good resource. All right, if you want to start working ahead, you can go on, and once you finish all of your Module 2 assignments, you can click on Module 3 and get started there. You will still be working on the career comparison, small assignments that lead up to the big assignment. And for August 30th, you're going to turn in working thesis and works cited. That means you're going to have to use that resource, and I'll paste it again down here on this module so that you can see where to go to get your source, because you're going to need to use that source, as you can see here, for your research, and you're going to complete the work cited for that source as well. So do follow the demonstration videos that you can find links for. Here, once I click on one, you can see all the different assignments here. So click on Research for Works Cited and Career Comparison, and that will show you how to do the working thesis and works cited and the research. If you're not sure how to go about doing the research, this shows you how to do that. So you are not alone. You have a guide to follow here. So that gets you into next week. So once I get the working thesis and works cited graded for you, make sure that you read the comments. It's going to be important to always look at your feedback, because you're going to revise your works cited if needed at the end of the outline that you're going to do. And I've given you some templates for the outline. These are very simple ones, and I've also given you a demonstration video for how to complete that assignment as well. But it's really important that you read your comments from each assignment as you go. So make sure that you are doing that. All right, that's it for the next 2 weeks, actually. So that gets you through, September 1st. So you can be a week ahead. Don't get too far ahead, I wouldn't say, because I don't want you to plow through a bunch of assignments without reading feedback, and I don't have time to grade things super early, but I will get to them as quickly as I can. All right, have a great weekend, and email me with any questions. I'm in my office on Fridays just until 2, so I will be back Monday and answer your email questions then.